I thought I had a willpower problem. I used to think I just needed more discipline, more willpower, and more motivation. But the truth is, it's never about willpower at all. Emotional eating isn't a failure. It's a response, a way to soothe yourself when something inside needs comfort. If you knew a better way to calm that need, you'd use it. But food works, and it's right there. When you learn how to meet that need in other ways, the pull toward food starts to lose its power. And that's exactly what we'll do in the Emotional Eating Reset Workshop. It's a 90-minute breakthrough session to quiet cravings and finally reset your relationship with food. Join me and start finding freedom from food, from guilt, from the cycle. Reserve your spot now. All the best.